Hello, this is Aaron from ToolChef. In this video, I'm going to show you how optimize your skeleton to improve in the performance of your simulation. So I have a simple scene here with an agent group, some agents. Let's open the skeleton editor here. So the first thing that you can do is to exclude joints during the simulation. You exclude joints from the skeleton definition. So to do that, you can use bool metadata you can attach to some joints. So for example, in this skeleton I have I think around 70 or 80 joints, and at least 20 of these joints are just finger joints. So for example, we can exclude that if we want to improve the performance and we don't want to simulate all the fingers. So let's go to the joint metadata inside the skeleton user data. So let's add a new slot to the joint metadata, and we need to add the metadata for the hand. So let's set the left hand joint name here. Now let's open and go to the bool metadata, and now we need to add the skip children metadata and activate. What this metadata does basically is tell Atom to exclude all the children of these joints from the skeleton definition. So if I press save, you can now see that the left hand is in bind pose, while the right hand is still using the full animation. So we can do the same thing for the right hand. Let's add a new slot, right hand. So bool metadata, skip children, and turn on. Let's save. And now both the hands are in bind pose, so Atom doesn't simulate them. Okay, now let's have a look to another things that you can use to exclude joint during the simulation, and it's the skeleton load. So similar to the mesh load, the skeleton loads activate or deactivate joints based on the agent's screen size. So we can add some loads definition here. So let's add, for example, 2 slots. So the first slot will be the full skeleton. We can call full skeleton. You can leave the joints array empty. In this way, Atoms know that you need to use all the joints. You can disable the IK and the footlock system if you want. Let's add, for example, only hips. For example, screen size of 0.03. And now, for example, here we can put the list of all the joints that we want to simulate for this slot. Let's do an extreme case, just put only the hips. This way Atom just simulate the hips and the hips joints. So basically just simulating the root movement of the agents. So let's save. If you want, you can disable the IK, lock. Let's turn on this guy here. Okay, so if I press play, basically nothing changed, because you need to use a specific component to activate the skeleton load. So search for the skeleton sim load behavior, attach it, and now you can use it straight. So as you can see, now they are smaller than 30% of the screen. They are just using the Atom just simulating the pelvis. So go up, then return to the full skeleton. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.